Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use content-aware fill in Photoshop. To start, open your image in Photoshop. Then select the area you want to remove or replace. You can use tools like the lasso or marquee selection tools for this. In this case, I will choose this one. So it's very easy. This is a quick tutorial only. So select the subject here and then right click and select inverse. So after you select inverse, right click again and choose content aware fill. So all you have to do now is to adjust this green color here so that you can create a clean content aware fill. You can see I'm just removing the green, the subject, so that it will only focus on the background. Now once you're done, you can click on apply and OK. So here, this is the preview of your content aware fill. As you can see, it's not that clean yet. So if you want to add the green again, you can always click this one, the plus sign inside the circle, and adjust the size here. Like that. And then check the preview again. So it looks like the picture is okay now. And all I have to do is to click on apply. And then click OK. So to remove the selected area, just press the Ctrl plus D key on your keyboard. And that's it! You now know how to use content-aware fill in Photoshop. It's a powerful tool for removing unwanted elements or seamlessly filling in gaps in your images. Before we wrap up, I would like you to see the before and after. Very clean, right? So remember that practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment and refine your skills with content-aware fill. Thanks for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use content-aware fill in Photoshop. See you on my next video.